So should you join the Live Good business opportunity if you have absolutely no money? Let's talk about it. Welcome to Team Go Mode. It's your man Earl, Batman Stringer. Now let's get straight into it. Live Good. All right. Live Good is currently one of the most popular affiliate marketing slash network marketing opportunities out there. People are joining this company left and right. And if you're watching this video, I'm assuming that you're somebody who, you might be on the fence, right? You might be wondering like if Live Good is for you. So if you're watching this video, you might be like, yo, I want to join Live Good, but like I don't got no money. Like should I still join if I have absolutely zero money to invest in Live Good, right? And the answer to that is yes and no, right? Because here's the thing. If you have absolutely no money to join Live Good, right? That means you can't join Live Good, right? You know what I'm saying? And because people are under this thing like, okay, because I get people all the time that message me, right? They'll tell me like, yo, I want to join this opportunity, but I have no money, right? It's basically saying, yo, I gotta hustle up like, the $40 to become an affiliate. So basically to join Live Good is $50, right? It's $40 a one-time fee to become an actual affiliate for Live Good to be a business builder. $40 one time. And then after that, it is $10 a month. Well, $9.95, but just call it 10. All right. So get that out the way. So people will come and they're like, yo, damn, I'm watching all these videos. You know what I'm saying? All these testimonials. Oh my God. Like I want in, but like I don't have any money. Do I need to like hustle and grind to get this money? Here's the thing. In my opinion, if you don't have any money, I would not scrounge up just enough to become a member, right? Get your affiliate link or whatever, and you don't have any other money coming in. Because even if you scrounge up the money, right, $50, you get $50, right? Now you are in Live Good. Now you're an affiliate. Now you can make money. But if that $50 literally was all you had, and you're gonna have to pay $10 in 30 days. You're going to have to pay that $10 membership fee, right? If that's gonna be a issue, then you shouldn't hustle up that $50 and join if that's all you have, because you have to really bust your ass and promote Live Good to start earning those commissions. Now, yes, Live Good got some nice commission, payout, $25 for every affiliate that you bring in. But keep in mind, when you get that affiliate, right, you get paid on that following week. So if it's on a Monday, all right, and you get an affiliate on that Tuesday, you're not going to be able to get paid to that following, that following week. So if you not almost have a plan to get some guaranteed, commissions in the first few days of you joining, that I wouldn't, do what you got to do to get that $50, get involved, and now you stuck. And now, if you really, struggling for cash in 30 days, when it's time to pay that $10 fee, right? You're going to be like, well, I didn't even make any money yet. It's been 30 days. I ain't made no money yet. So I'm out. Like I need this $10. I need this to put on my phone bill. I need this for my groceries, right? So really it would have been just a waste of your time and money if you are flat broke right now, right? You are flat broke right now. I wouldn't suggest you doing that. Now, if you got the personality like, yo, I'm going to hustle up this startup cash, $50, right? I'm going to hustle and get it, and I'm just going to just give it all I got. Oh yeah, it's possible that you can earn, a couple $100 in your first week with Live Good. But damn it, trust me, you have to be willing to grind, right? To make this happen, because Live Good is a great opportunity, but it's getting more and more competitive, you know what I'm saying, when it comes to promoting it and getting affiliates. But it can be done. But let me just say, I think Live Good is a great opportunity, but I wouldn't come into it like completely broke, because in my opinion, it could take a couple months to actually start making money with Live Good. And you probably even heard about the potential of earning over $2,000 a month without even recruiting anybody. If you're thinking about joining off of that, right, and you think, well, if I could just come up with my $50, man, I can make over $2,000 a month. Listen to me. That is a possibility, but most likely that won't happen for a while. Anywhere from 6 months to 2-3 years, if it even gets to that point where you can earn that money without recruiting. That's not something that you should hustle up and think you're going to be getting $2,000 a month in the next few weeks or next few months, right? If you're thinking like that, definitely don't join LiveGood, right? But if you are somebody who can, really hustle and come up with that following $10 a month, you know what I'm saying? And you are really gonna grind, then yeah, you can. But if you struggling to come up with the 50 and you think you're gonna be struggling in the next month or two to kind of come out of extra 10, I wouldn't jump in and LiveGood. Jump in and LiveGood when you're a little comfortable, right? When you can easily afford $10 a month, when you can do that, then definitely jump on LiveGood. Now, if you want another option where you can start making money and you can have absolutely no money to get started with, you probably want to check out Nexus Rewards. This is another network marketing, affiliate marketing opportunity that I'm involved with. And it's really cool because, like I said, you don't even have to have any money to get started making money with this opportunity. So if you want to check out Nexus Rewards, all you need to do is click on that link in the description, check out the videos on that page, and that's an option for you. So if you want to check out another opportunity that you can start making money with without having any money at all, you want to check out the first link in the description of this video. When you get over there, watch the video. Watch the video on that page, and it might be something that you'll be interested in. And the cool thing about this opportunity is you can actually make money with this opportunity, and you can make the money that you need to join LiveGood if you want to. All right, so that's my take on joining LiveGood if you have no money. If you want another option, check out the link in the description.